Hello, welcome to Spatial Data Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create intersecting circles of equal radius, fully intersecting circles. So here, I want to create intersecting circles for my map view, and I'll show you how exactly you can do that. The first step will be to create a grid for the map view. We'll go to vector rather. Go to Vector, Research Tools, and click on Create Grid. I click on create grid. You select your grid type to be points. Your grid extent, you can set it to be from a layer or from your map canvas or any other option which suits your choice. I'll use from a layer, and I will select this layer which I have on my screen, this route or arrays. It simply selects the boundary points here automatically. The horizontal spacing, okay, first of all, the task for this assignment, for this video, will be to create intersecting circles of 200-meter radius each. All right, so I'll set my spacing to be 200-meter radius. So you set your spacing to the exact radius which you want your circles to be. Vertical spacing will be the same thing, 200 meters. And then at times you would find here showing degrees. Don't, instead of using, you can if you understand the concept anyways, or you can simply change your coordinate reference system. If you are in EPSG 4326, it gives its units in degrees and not in meters. But if you are in 3857, it gives in meters. I'm speaking to people who are working with WGS 84. Yeah, so you can easily search and find a better coordinate reference system that works with meters. Then finally, we'll either leave it as a temporary file or save it to a file and select your directory. I'll leave mine as a temporary file, so I don't need it more than now. After done with this, you can run. Yep, it creates a grid of 200 meters interval. Now, we'll create a point layer. I've already done that. I believe you know how to do that. Otherwise, you check the description of this video. So we have a point layer, toggle editing, add points. Now, for this point layer, we'll set the size. We'll set the size to 400 meters, which is double, which is the diameter of our task. We'll set it to meters at scale. Yep. Now to create your intersecting circles, this is how we'll do it. You click on the first. Okay. You skip the next. Click on the next. Okay. I'll just do this a bit. I won't go all the way. Then let's stop here. On the next row, you complete this row first. On the next row, rather than clicking on this, you just interchange your skip points. Oh, one thing I failed to tell you is that you need to turn on snapping. Yeah, you need to turn on snapping. When you right click here, you will see snapping toolbar, turn it on. When you go here, you can always turn on your enable snapping. Enabling snapping makes it as you click exactly on the point which you're interested in, not around the point, so that your circles are exactly the same thing. Now, one thing you can also do to view your circles better is to increase the transparency, right? And increase the transparency. You can increase the width if you want that. Now you see that at the end of the day, you get completely intersecting circles. This guy should just shift. You get completely intersecting circles. Do you see it? So you can, if you want to generate the points in between in the middle of each of the circles, you are sure that all circles are completely intersecting. That'll be it for this video. If you have any problem with it, do well to let me know in the comment section or contact me via the links in my about section. I'll see you in the next.